sometime Saturday you'll see this ride, so be sure that you're subscribed to the channel and you have the bell notification clicked on, and then you make sure you have all selected as your option so you don't miss out on when this video goes public. And please give this video a like real quick too. And with that being said, let's ride. I also made sure that GoPro was on 100%. I charged it for about 4 hours. It's on 100%. So for this ride, we're just gonna do a little detour, you know, a little ride together for our Saturday ride, and then I will record 3 rides after that, and all 3 of those rides after that will be going on a flash drive, and you guys will be seeing those rides whenever it's cold out sometime. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, come on, man. I don't know if I want to wait for this. That one car turned left, kind of messed me up because I could have went right there, but he was turning left and I know he wasn't stopping. And I might just do Yui. We might just make this a fast, quick, low Yui. I'm gonna be waiting here for hours. I'm not trying to record the whole video at this one traffic thing, because now I gotta wait for all these people. I might just do a Yui. I'm doing a Yui. Oh, sorry, buddy. I'm not waiting. Ooh, look at that people. I'm not waiting for that light. I meant not the light. I wish there was a light right there, but I'm not waiting for all that traffic, because that side's gonna be gone, and then we're gonna have that side. That side's gonna be clear. We got that side. I'd rather just go through this neighborhood right here, do a little detour. Look at that nice house with Halloween decorations up. Do a little detour, and then we could go out to the lights and just wait for the light to turn green, and it'll be much simpler than waiting for all that traffic. I'm not trying to wait there for 10 minutes and have that be the video. No, we're not doing that. I want to be riding while we're recording. So I said let's pop a Yui and let's go this way. And in the process of popping that Yui, Cowie over here hit a rock. Maybe jump a little, Cowie. Maybe catch myself, girl. Come on. You know how we like our rocks and our gravel. We don't like them. We don't like them. I don't like the gravel, and neither does she. And I don't like rocks, and neither does she. She said, come on, man, I'm a street bike. I'm not a dirt bike. Much faster. Took that little detour, and now we get on the main road. We're still gonna go the same way. We're just not gonna be waiting at the intersection for 20 minutes. I don't know why I didn't think of that at first. We should have just came this way the first time, but you know, I did not think it was going to be that busy at that intersection down there. I thought I was going to get out, get on the road, and get going, you know? Oh, who's honking? Who's honking? Who's messing up? watch hours in, alright? So we're at like 400 hours of watch time, which is still good, but we need 4,000 hours of watch time so we can monetize. So please do me a solid favor. Before you go to bed or anytime when you're not busy in the day, just, you don't even have to watch them all. Just go to my videos and just play the longest video you can find, and then just either put it on repeat or just let it move on to a next video of mine, and just watch all my rides and stuff and help us get our watch hours in, please and thank you. That would be much appreciated if you do that for me. Even if you like do it before you go to bed, I got a playlist and I'm gonna add a lot of rides to that playlist, so just go to the playlist and just let it play through all the rides. So if you do that for me so we get our watch hours in, that would be amazing, and I'd appreciate it so much. I think I'm gonna go straight. I don't know if I want to go Crystal Lake or McHenry, or I don't know where I want to go. We're just gonna ride. Make a decent video, a decent ride for the Saturday ride, and then we'll record our 3 other rides for the test ride. So I'll probably be out here for a minute. 13 minutes? I think it said 13 minutes, right? Alright. Let's go down here a little more. Let's go for a few more minutes. And then I'll end the ride and we can start on our flash drive ride. The flash drive rides you'll be seeing when it's cold out. So you'll be seeing it when I cannot ride until the summer again. That's my dream car, but it's up there. She is definitely up there. Now we're back at the main road. Nice. Alright, let's pull over here real quick and just see where we're at. Maybe we're at 15. I think that's 15. I'm about to find out in a sec. Give it like 15 seconds. Why don't you guys let me know in the comments one thing you guys did today, or let me know where you're from, or if you got a bike, if you're riding. Just let me know something in the comments. Something good. Let's see here. Is it going on 15? Yes, it is. So it's 16 minutes or 19. Alright, so that's perfect. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna end the ride here. You'll see us on Saturday sometime, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.